That's so cool. Our drift gear needs a cooling system. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the fans, I'm going to scan the radiator, and get these files all cleaned up and ready to be mocked up in the 3D space. The brackets that are going to be on the actual radiator are going to be aluminum, which I don't want to cut out on the plasma cutter. I'm going to use my Waterjet for that instead. Let's send it. That's so cool. All right, I ended up recutting these because the originals, I had an issue with my feed. It was my fault. I had the line plugged in too far. Doesn't matter, I fixed it. And also I had these tabs on to keep the pieces from lifting up. They ended up being really annoying because I could get the things punched out and looking nice. So I just cut it again and I used no tabs, and I'll tell you what, this came out gorgeous. All right. Time for my favorite part. It's so satisfying. Having a way to rinse is so handy.